Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. Happy birthday shout out of the video. If it is your birthday, comment down below and let us know. Y'all go show some love. I just received my very heavy Ipsy Ultimate, formerly the Ipsy Icon, for the month of August. I'll pop details right here and we're gonna dive in. And you might be wondering why this box is so big and so heavy. Of course, it's packaged well with some foam and stuff like that. I do now get the Beauty Boost. I'll also pop information here. The Beauty Boost this month is worth $155. I also got add-ons. So we'll go through the box. I'll show you the Beauty Boost. We'll go through add-ons and all of the things. It just started storming out of nowhere. I do apologize if y'all happen to hear that. Anyways, I digress. First up, we have the Sacha Wand, the Hair Repair Treatment Mask. This is a full 7.4 fluid ounce. This is massive. And we do get 8 full-size products with our Ipsy Ultimate, again, formerly the Ipsy Icon box. Next up, we got the NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in the shade High Gear. That looks like a shade that I'm going to love. I love orangey, corally, all of the things. I don't think I've tried these before, not to my recollection. Oh yes, that is absolutely stunning. That would be beautiful with what I'm wearing today as well. I literally have on the Nomad Cosmetics cheek quad on my eyes, my lips, and my cheeks. I love it. Next up, we have the Mother, the Up All Night Eye Cream, Mother Load Eye Cream. Next up, we have the Makeup by Mario, the Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. I also received one of these in my PR package. Next up, I also received a Merit Lip Oil. This is the Shade Slick Gelée Tinted Lip Oil. This is in the shade Jeté, or Jeté. Hopefully I'm saying that somewhat right. Let me see what shade this is. Like I said in my unboxing of my PR, I don't really feel like these ever actually show up. I do like the formula and stuff of this. It's not my all-time favorite, but I do like it. Next up, we got, this is another one that I received in my PR. This is the Beauty Bio, the Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. These are a resurfacing facial pad. I do love things like this. I like to use these a couple times a week. I will note, as I did in my PR unboxing, if you are new to resurfacing, exfoliating, whether chemical or physical, please take a less is more approach. Be cautious, especially if you have sensitive or reactive skin, and then you want to protect your skin if you're going into the sun after using those products. Next up, I'm incredibly excited to try this. I'm actually wearing my Korres Kumquat perfume today. This is the Korres Eau de Toilette. This is the Kima fragrance. Top notes are lime, mandarin, orange. Heart notes are marine, watery, and pepper. Base notes are cedar, vetiver, and nutmeg. I'm kind of on the fence on this. I do want to go ahead and smell it. I am very weird about fragrance. I prefer either soft floral, like very soft floral, soft fruity, but I really, really love gourmand. I love anything that has a really nice sweetness to it, but I also want some warmth and some roundness. I don't want it to just be sickeningly, overtly sweet, and I don't want it to smell kind of artificially sweet. I'm hoping I like this. I don't often do like marine type sprays and scents and stuff like that. I love the bottles of these. They're nice and weighted and heavy. They're very heavy glass. I'm going to do as I generally do, and I'm going to spray it into the box first. Give that just a second. Whoa, okay. I did not think I was going to like that. That smells amazing. Let me read that again. Oh gosh. It's quite soft. I feel like I'm definitely getting the vetiver, the nutmeg, a little bit of pepperiness. I'm spraying that on right now, even though I already have fragrance on. Holy crap, that smells amazing. If you got this, let us know. Let us know what you thought. And then to round out my actual box, I got the Patrick Ta for Face, the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush Duo in She's Giving. I also got one in my PR. I can't remember what shade I got, but I gifted that. I did a little giveaway over in that video. I do want to see what this looks like. This is kind of that, you know, classic, more purple leaning pink, if you will. I think these are really, really stunning. They're not generally what I gravitate toward. I tend to go a little bit more like very neutral leaning, or I go very orange, rusty, corally, things like that. So I don't necessarily think it would be for me, but there's nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. I think it was a fantastic selection. I feel like for the money and the value, the Ipsy Ultimate is the best subscription service on the market, in my personal opinion. I would have said Ice Cream Beauty, but we all know what happened there. Anyways, the beauty boost for this month is the Gold Faden MD Plant Profusion Lifting Neck Cream. I have tried quite a few Gold Faden MD products. I'm actually currently using and have repurchased through the Ipsy sales and the add-ons the hand cream. It is divine. I'm intrigued by this, and again, this is 15 bucks for a $155 value. If you got this too and you've already been testing it, comment down below and let us know. This does say, for wrinkled and sagging skin on the neck area, this dynamic breakthrough formula combines powerful skin strengthening and hydrating agents that work to diminish the appearance of lines, crepiness, and sagging skin on the neck and décolleté. Dr. Gold Faden's proprietary blend of advanced plant cell extracts is loaded with properties that help against oxidative stress, help reduce the appearance of uneven pigmentation, and improve the look of dull, lackluster skin. This advanced cream delivers necessary nutrients to help restore a youthful looking neck and décolleté. I do want to see what the actual packaging looks like. It feels incredibly heavy, very weighted, and very luxe, as it should for that price point. And I like getting stuff like this. I speak to this a lot with Mystery Boxes subscription services. I've paid $65-ish for everything here, the additional $15 for this. If I were to go and purchase this for $155, use it for 30 days and it does nothing, I'm gonna be pissed. You know what I'm saying? For 15 bucks, if it doesn't work, I'll spend that on Neutrogena. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't, I feel like it's an affordable way to test a ton of different brands that maybe we can't otherwise test out. I don't have $155 for a skincare product. So that is the box. That is my beauty boost. Now I will move on to my add-ons. I picked up the Olaplex number 4 and number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Olaplex is a staple in my house. I use them, my son uses them. I was just able to work with them over on a shorts video over here on YouTube. I love the brand as a whole. I don't think I've ever tried these in terms of, other than like little samplers or travel ones, but using them long term, I've not done yet. So I'm really excited. I will update you guys in 30-ish days and kind of say, hey, my hair's feeling great, or it did nothing. So I picked both of those up. I picked up the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Lip Mask with squalane and hyaluronic acid. And especially, I mean, we're still, you know, it's 100 degrees here. So we're still in the depths of summertime here. However, I know we're heading into cooler months, and because my skin is so dry, I love nourishing products like this all year round, but specifically for wintertime, I want to be kind of geared up and have extra stock of lip hydrations, treatments, and things like that. Next up, one of my all-time favorites. I got this in my standard Ipsy and then also opted to get one in add-ons. This is the Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Pistachio Body Butter. I took mine on vacation with me. This smells absolutely divine. It's nice and rich, nice and dense. The pistachio like scent lingers just a little bit, but it's very soft and more natural versus, again, like I was talking about with fragrance, it doesn't smell fakey or overtly sweet or anything like that. I love this. If you guys got this, please comment down below and let people know how great it is. Next up, in my add-ons, I got the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. I picked up the Tatcha, the Matcha Foam Cleanse. And most of these are all like the 350 ones. I cannot remember how much these were. I want to say 12 or 16. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. Next up, I got the Dionys, the Ocean Mist Goat Milk Hand Cream for dry hands. Again, I'm all for hydration, nourishing, things like that. Next up is the How Do You Glow Girl Cosmetics Lip Oil. And sometimes in add-ons, I'll buy things particularly for myself. A few of these are for me. The other things I toss over in my resale group over on Facebook, and that's always linked down below if you are in the US and you want to go shop. I'm cheap as hell, by the way. Next up, I picked up the Lava Lip Drip Lip Oil, formulated with jojoba oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, and I opted for the shade Bubblegum. I don't know yet if I'm keeping this for me. Like I said, sometimes I keep things for me, sometimes I put the products over in my resale group. I think because I got the Merit one in my PR and stuff like that, and in my paid for in this one, I think I'll probably pass this one along and put it in my group. Next up, I picked up a couple of the Bisho little face palettes. I got like 2 different variations of it. I picked up the Misho Beauty, the Transfer Proof Lip Pencil. It's in like a pretty nudie shade. I picked up a beautiful little purple glittery brush from LaRue. So I'm actually popping this in a friend's birthday gift to send over to her because she loves purple. And then to round out my add-ons, I picked up the Kimchi Chic Beauty Lip Liner Pencil in the shade 07. This is also something that will most likely go over in my resale group. So that is everything. That was a lot to get through. Hopefully I did not keep y'all here too long and I wasn't too long-winded. I try to get through things. I know there are people that are on both sides of the fence. Some people prefer a longer video. They're okay with me being super chatty and stuff like that. And then some people are like, I want people to get to the point. I want to be in and out of the video. I respect both. I like to know where you land. Comment down below and let me know. I'd like to know, are we box twins? What did you get in your variation? And what did you think of this month's selection? I'd love to know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype this video. You can share this video out. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.